Are you having problems with your Night Owl Connect app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this problem. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Night Owl Connect app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app on our phone. So just open up your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. And here we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. In here we're going to scroll down and then click on storage. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. So, and now when it's done, as you can see, we're just going to scroll up in here, and then we're going to click on the search like bar in the top, as you can see. So click on search, then you're going to search like this, Night Owl Connect, and just click on the app. And in here we're just going to click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again to get the app back on your, to basically auto update your app. So what this actually does is that you're going to force the app to automatically update to the absolute latest version. So basically do this, and this should be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. So I guess that when they actually release like a new update, we need to be able to get it to be able to actually access our app, otherwise it's going to be like buggy maybe. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix this problem for you as well.